represent your community on Twitter. You do a really bad job at it. You should stick to being a listener. You are not an effective communicator, and you cook stories on the fly. You actually give a bad name to your community. Please do not come up and uh, try to give any kind of gyan because you suck at it.
And I think
After आपका कोई आपका कोई
people are
सिनेरियो भेजो
responding
यार.
like this. I think I did a good job.
Kuki. Okay, I have 4 DMs from Kuki people saying,
When
please get
people
somebody
like
else
you
from your
can't answer
community.
my
Four
question,
four
I
DMs.
think I did a really good job.
So 4 from your community have said, please do not listen to him. 4 people from your community, and I've checked the profile. They are Kuki people.
Listen, did you search your the Manipur University?
हाँ वही पढ़ रहा हूँ. I'm reading it.
What weight?
I
You're
said I'm
googling,
reading it.
right?
अबे तेरे को सुनने में
What
प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
reading?
Get your fucking air cleaned यार.
Come here.
I said I'm
Come with
reading
the
it.
people.
अरे
Then
सर
read it.
होस्ट जी सर ये कुकी का नेचर है, ऐसा ही है ये लोग.
नहीं, don't put it on everybody यार. Don't put it on everybody. He is an idiot. He'll never
ये
listen.
भाई मैं हिंदी
तेरे को सुनने में
ये लोग
प्रॉब्लम है. तू एक काम करना. Tomorrow morning, go to an ENT specialist and say I want to get my ears cleaned.
ये लोग तमाशा की ने हिंदी नहीं
नहीं तो
आती.
तेरे कान में लगता है कुछ भरा हुआ है. तू सुनता नहीं है. Now I'm reading it, so don't bother me for the next 2 minutes while you both can continue. वैसे यहाँ
So
पर
you're now in a very difficult position to answer our money problem, university problem.
अबे भांग खा
He
रखी.
said,
अबे ओए भांग खा रखी है क्या? Are you on drugs or this? I said give me 2 minutes to read. You keep interrupting me. How the fuck will I read? यार, if you're an idiot of first order or what? पता नहीं क्या कर यार ये.